Hi, today we're going to look at this item which I got off eBay for not much money. It was advertised as an aircraft radio control unit. Now I've done a bit of research on this. I found limited information and it appears to be manufactured by PYE, which is a UK manufacturer which was later bought out by Philips. And it appears to be some sort of radar system. And it's a US military part, not UK military. These are some of the circuit boards from the system that the seller's selling on eBay, which I'll show you now. But back to this unit, it appears to be from some sort of radar system. There's two units. There's an operator control panel and a supervisor control panel. Both of them are the same. They're just that the switches are different and there's less LEDs on the control panel, but they've both got an LCD display. It comes with a conditioning label. So obviously it has come from the RAF, but if you put the NSN number, which is a NATO stock number or national stock number in the USA, it comes up as a part for a radar system. So it should be quite interesting to see what's inside it. I don't expect to see much, but it says it's unserviceable. You can see there it's come from Aquila Sealand. I'll just see if I can find information on that now and show you. But yeah, back to this. It appears to be just surplus to requirements. Now obviously I'm not going to get it working, but I might see if I can power it up and see what it does if I can. But I think these are quite useful for electronics projects because there's some good quality switches on the front here. 24 character 2-line LCD display, which looking at the side appears to be a standard unit. So yeah, idea for an Arduino or Raspberry Pi projects. Good quality keyboard matrix and a display. So what we'll do now is we'll take it apart and see what's inside. Let's start with the back cover. Right, okay. Don't expect to see much in this thing, but it's a bit of a strange design that. Oh, there we go. So variable resistors in there, some dip switches setting some sort of configuration. Now the NATO stock number, like I said earlier, relates to a US military part, but clearly this has come from the RAF, so right, I'm not sure what this thing really is. NATO stock number, I found one website that actually says it's a militarised part and it should be destroyed to prevent reuse or repair. Now obviously I'm not going to reuse it or repair it, so I guess that's fine. I'm going to be stripping this thing down for spares. Quite a lot, some ICs in there. Oh, in sockets. What else we got? Nope, don't want to come off. Another variable resistor on the side. Ah, it is, yeah, it's held in by a couple of connectors there, if you can see there. Oh, there it is. Just now we got this off. Look out connectors on that. So there we've got chips or in sockets. That'll be useful for spares. We have got 3 MM5450s. Oh, sorry, 4 MM5450s. There's some sort of LED driver, I believe. I'll have to look that up. Look up what that is now, and I'll show you on the video. Yeah. And we've also got a microcontroller or something there. Let's see. Philips Telecom PWR, it says. AT60163 issue 2 CSUM 22 and 220B. Philips Telecom PMR. Those chips look quite interesting. Yeah, they're a bit out there. Yeah, so the decoders and drivers with a keypad, I imagine. Those chips, if I can't use them for a project, it might actually be worth some money. I mean, let's go look at the date codes on those actually. 1994. Yeah. I wonder if it's on the RAF Nimrod. So that's a surveillance aircraft. No. Yeah, Nimrod MR2. It's a possibility. I think what I might do is have a look at some other cockpit displays or radio operators controls and see if I can spot these. It might give me some clue. When I edit the video, I'll have a look and show it. Ah, yeah, there you go. There's your LCD. So there's not really much to it. Just a control board. And that looks like a standard LCD display. Those are some connectors there for other devices because they don't plug into the back. So that circuit board must be used for other things. Yeah, so if you look on there, it doesn't plug into all of them. So some of those sockets are actually unused. So yeah, it's a standard 24 character HD 44780, whatever it is, compatible display by the looks of it. A lot of shit on the display. Just seeing the light, it looks about 24 characters. Well, that would sort of be useful for a project. Definitely used that. And then got the keypad panel. No point in taking that out really. It just circuit board with some switches on it. So, right, well, the next thing to do is see if I can power this on and see what it does. So I'll just put it back together. Right, so I got back to the main board again. There's two transistors, but there might be voltage regulators. Well, I couldn't get this thing powered up. I mean, the voltage regulators are stuck down. Obviously no idea what this voltage this thing runs off, so rather than risk blowing all these chips up, I think I won't bother powering it on. Oh, let's see what this microcontroller is here. It's obviously some 8051 maybe. Oh, nope. It's a HD 63701 VOP Hitachi. Could be an SH1 or SH2 based, but I don't think we'll be able to read the code off of that. But yeah, got an interesting little box. It's okay for spare parts. Now, like I said earlier, it appears to be a part that hasn't been demilitarised. It actually says on the NATO website, well, the NATO stock website, that it must be destroyed to prevent reuse, but that's pretty much what I'm going to do with it, really. And obviously it's going to be scrapped. That display will come in handy for Arduino projects. These chips can be either used myself or resold. If that's a microcontroller, I have some custom code in it, so that can go in the bin. Key switch is useful. Yeah, I think that's about it. If there's anything else to add, I'll post an updated video later. But other than that, thanks for watching.